In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. We are talking now about the future continuous. The future continuous is talking about a certain action in progress in a point in the future. And we are here to emphasize on the process. And this tense is formed by will plus be plus verb plus ing. Emphasize on the process by saying by 9 a.m. tomorrow I'll be passing the test. Let's practice. I'll be watching football this time on Sunday. He won't be studying English this time tomorrow. What will you be doing in 3 years' time? Future perfect. The form will plus have plus verb in the past participle. And here we are talking about completed action before a point in the future. And here we emphasize on the result. By 9 a.m. tomorrow I will have passed my test. It's finished by this point of time. Let's practice. We can use the future perfect for these situations. When we get to the cinema, the film will have started. Will you have finished this tomorrow afternoon? And you also can answer this question. What will you have finished by the end of this year? Now we are going to talk about connectors. And of course you know that connectors are very important. What are they? Why do we need them? We need them because they join ideas and show how those ideas are related to one another. They help us organize our ideas. It's easier for the reader to follow. How can we link these sentences? Life in the Gulf is challenging. Life in the Gulf can be really exciting. We can say, despite the fact that life in the Gulf is challenging, it can be really exciting. Even though life in the Gulf is challenging, it can be really exciting. Life in the Gulf is challenging, however, it can be very exciting. There is a different way. Life in the Gulf is challenging, therefore, it can be very exciting. And how can we link these sentences? I went to a party, the music wasn't good, I decided to stay anyway, I met my friends, we had a great time. These are short, simple sentences, but there is no cohesion between them. They are separate ones. But if you add some linkers, you will see like this. I went to a party, but the music wasn't good. I decided to stay anyway because I met my friends and we had a great time. Can you find a different way to link those sentences? This is what we did. I went to a party, but the music wasn't good. I decided to stay anyway because I met my friends and we had a great time. Use different connectors and change the order of the sentences. No problem. I went to a party, even though the music wasn't good, I decided to stay. Eventually, we had a great time because I met my friends. Of course, you know that connectors have many types. The first one, connectors of addition. We can see additionally, furthermore, in addition to, moreover, similarly, likewise, in the same way, besides, not only but also. By these connectors you can add different ideas to the same paragraph. See if you can add some connectors. Learning English is important. It is a useful language. It is the international language. You can get a job, a good job. You can travel around the world. You can communicate with people all over the world. We are talking about the advantages of learning English. So we can add. Where can we add connectors? Like that. Learning English is important and it is a useful language. Besides, it is the international language. Moreover, you can get a good job. In addition to traveling around the world, you can communicate with people all over the world. Connectors of contrast. However, nevertheless, although, though, even though, in spite of, despite, in contrast to, on the other hand, whereas, while, on the contrary. And these connectors, the connectors of the contrast, they link the sentences that have contrast or contradicting things between them. For example, if we say, he is smart, he can't answer the questions. There is some contradiction in this sentence. So you can say, he is smart, but he can't answer the questions. However, he can't answer the questions. Although he is smart, he can't answer the questions. Here, connectors of cause and effect. Therefore, consequently, as a result of, thus, for this reason, because of, in order to, so that. These connectors you are used to connect things that there is some kind of result or reason between them. For example, we can say that I didn't go to school, I was ill. So the connector will be because. I didn't go to school because I was ill. Or we can say I was ill, so, or as a result, I didn't go to school. Connectors of sequence. If you want to make logical order between things, first, in the first place, second, secondly, third, next, afterwards, after that, eventually, finally, before that, beforehand. Now we can shed some lights on the usage of I wish or if only. We use wish and if only plus past simple or continuous or could when we want a situation or thing in the present to be different or to change. The time of the action referred to in the subordinate clause is the same as the time of making the wish. He wishes that he were rich. I wish I didn't have to leave. I wish he was waiting for me. I wish he was waiting for me. I wish I could help you.